I would say most of the issues are regular issues, like people complaining of retaining walls, wanting retaining walls to be done on the WRD. Then gutters have collapsed. Then mutation cases. I had a meeting with the PWD regarding the Urban Health Center building in Margao, and I have to locate the file. We will locate the file, and the contractor has given an assurance that he will start repair work by the 21st of this month. SGPDA market, we've had a review vis-a-vis the sewage lines that were to be laid. We also had a review vis-a-vis the sewage lines to be laid for this Matani Saldana complex. So that I think we'll be able to start shortly. So these type of issues were the main things that came up. Undertake an exercise to clear as many applications that are pending before them for regularization of structures. Structures per se have to be on the land owned. I repeat, land owned by the person who is applying for regularization. This is one. Number two, one also has to be aware of the fact that they would be taking up applications received prior to January 2024. Post January 2024, they will not be entertaining any of the applications. So I appeal to people, take advantage. If your applications are pending, take advantage and come forward on 25th and get your applications processed and cleared. The team from Goa State Pollution Control Board would be visiting the South Goa collectorate, and there on the spot they will assist in applying online the applications for the consents to operate or consents to establish an industry in Goa.